Okay, now we're gonna try to microwave some toothpaste. But what I'm thinking is we should take it out of the wrapper? Or should we leave it in the wrapper? I don't really know. So we're gonna take it out of the wrapper. Or box, whatever this thing's called. Maybe. Okay. So we're gonna try this one now. I don't know, should we leave it on its side? Oh, my hand doesn't turn that way. Okay. Open door. Leave it like that? Okay, I'm kind of go like that. I don't know, we'll do it like that. Let's see what happens. Okay, shut the door. I'm gonna cook it 5 minutes. Start. Oh. That didn't sound good. Okay, so I don't know what happened, but there's all kinds of freaking smoke coming out of this microwave. Oh shit. So, damn it, why is it... Can't... Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? You have got to be kidding me. The fucking microwave plate just broke. Are you serious? Like, on toothpaste. Shit, that's like, I just got this microwave. Are you joking? Oh my god, I can't blow it out. What the fuck? Like, are you gotta be kidding? Like, okay, so let's just freaking watch it be on fire. I swear to god, like, I just got this shit that's really hot. Where'd one of those gloves go? Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, I don't understand how freaking toothpaste... What? Why? Like, are you freaking joking? Oh my god, it broke exactly the same as the other one! What? Oh my god, this is so hot. Okay, okay, ugh, dang it. Oh my god, I need Jules here. This is what happened when she freaking goes over to the neighbors swimming. Dang it. Okay. What? Okay, come out. We need like some water. Oh god, all smoky. Well, what? How the heck does that? How does toothpaste break the microwave plate? That's not even like a thing. Oh my god, it's all kinds of smoky. Oh, it's all smoky. Okay, so I don't even know, like, how did this even happen? How does that even happen? It's just toothpaste. Oh man. Dang it. I think I just threw that other microwave plate away. Okay, so it's like all bubbly. I don't know if you can see that. It's really, really hot. That's why you probably have to use the thing on the gloves. Okay. Gotta use these finger things. I can't even touch it correctly. Okay, so it's like, it looks like a marshmallow. This is what it looks like. I don't know. And it's all crispy. Well, dang it. How does this even go together? Great. Great. It's gotta go. Okay, so it goes like that. Dang it! Oh, I need to go get some more glue. Ugh! Dang it! Why? I can never get anything to explode. All it does is catch on fire and then break my microwave plate. It's like, oh my god, I'm so mad. This is only what, like the 7th thing we've microwaved in this microwave? Freaking plate broke. Ugh. I don't know. Now, I don't... I was gonna microwave some other things, but how the plates... Dang it! Dang it! maybe, oh, I got some tape. I wonder if tape would work. I don't think I got, oh, I wonder if there's any glue in this old microwave. No. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, we got the one glue. Okay, we got some glue. So, when the microwave plate cools down, I'm gonna try gluing it back together. Maybe. I don't know. Dang it, I am so mad. I can't, dang it. Great. I don't even know. Dang it. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.